Imagine if you had to choose, would you harness the invincible power of Superman, or would you prefer the tactical prowess of Batman? Now think of this choice in terms of cloud computing. AWS is Superman, Azure is Batman. A fascinating thought, isn't it? In the world of cloud computing, AWS and Azure stand tall as Superman and Batman, respectively. AWS, much like the Man of Steel, brings to the table unparalleled power and an expansive arsenal of cloud services. Take AWS Lambda, for example. It zips through tasks with the speed of a speeding bullet, much like our Kryptonian hero. And then there's AWS S3, the fortress of solitude for your data, safe, secure, and nearly impenetrable. On the other side of the city, we have Azure, adopting the tactics of the Dark Knight himself. Azure is equipped with a utility belt of versatile tools. Azure DevOps, for instance, is reminiscent of Batman's endless supply of gadgets, ever ready to tackle any challenge. And let's not forget Azure Machine Learning, mirroring Batman's detective skills, using data to solve crimes against efficiency. But remember, this isn't a comic book clash. This is a real-world battle happening in the cloud. Businesses, developers, they're all picking sides. They're deciding whether to soar with AWS's Superman or lurk in the shadows with Azure's Batman. Throughout this video, we've ventured into the depths of AWS and Azure. We've broken down their strengths, their weaknesses, their pricing structures, and their real-world applications. We've heard stories from startups, from Fortune 500 companies, from those who've chosen their cloud champion. So, as we approach the end of our journey, you're likely wondering, which side should you choose? Do you want to harness the speed of AWS's Superman, or do you prefer the strategic approach of Azure's Batman? Remember, this isn't just about choosing between two cloud services, it's about deciding which superhero you want to be in the world of cloud computing. So, whether you're a fan of the Man of Steel or the Dark Knight, there's a place for you in the cloud. Subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments section below. This epic cloud battle isn't over. In fact, it's just beginning and there's plenty more to explore, so stick with us because we're just getting warmed up. To be continued.